So guys, you got a Samsung and you get the black screen of death. It happens occasionally to some of the Samsung mobiles. You don't know why it's gone like that, but it seems to be on, but the screen is black. So what do you do to get it off that? Now, it's not the end of the world, so don't stress. So what I did is that you put the power button and the volume button down and you press it for 10 seconds, okay? Then you'll hear it sort of vibrate and try and come on, and it might just do the trick. If not, you just keep repeating that. Then, if that's not working, put the original power cord back in on the original power unit that came with the phone and let it charge up, okay? Make sure the phone is charged, because if it's dead, it'll have the black screen. So you do that. Don't stress, you're gonna get there. So, what I did is put it on the power cord overnight. I tried it the next day and it still didn't work. So I heard of this little trick and it doesn't make any sense. So I took the phone out of the cover, wrapped it in plastic, stuck it in the freezer for 10 minutes. I then pulled it out and let it thaw out. That's important. Don't try and start it. Let it thaw out for 10 minutes. Then try it again, but holding it for 10 seconds or 30 seconds. Just keep holding it and it came on. Now, if you try all that and it doesn't work, then you need to take it to a Samsung service centre. However, trying this out is on your own, okay? I'm not guaranteeing that it's going to work or your phone's going to be okay, but it worked for me and it's worked for others. So that's how you get rid of the black screen of death.